Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Rule 15 of the COLREGs, which governs crossing situations between two power-driven vessels, is a fundamental part of maritime navigation and is designed to provide a clear and unambiguous hierarchy when the paths of two ships intersect. The rule states that when two power-driven vessels are crossing so as to involve risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side shall keep out of the way. This is often remembered by the simple phrase, "If to your starboard red appear, it is your duty to keep clear." In this scenario, the vessel required to keep out of the way is known as the give-way vessel, while the other is the stand-on vessel. Rule 15 also provides a specific instruction for the give-way vessel, stating that she shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. This is a critical safety principle because crossing ahead of a stand-on vessel can create a dangerous close-quarters situation if either vessel experiences a change in speed or engine failure. The preferred action is for the give-way vessel to alter course to starboard and pass behind the stern of the other vessel. Identifying a crossing situation requires a proper lookout as mandated by Rule 5 and an assessment of risk as required by Rule 7. If you see a vessel approaching from your starboard side and its compass bearing remains constant, you are in a crossing situation and you must take early and substantial action to stay clear. It is important to remember that this rule applies specifically to power-driven vessels. If a power-driven vessel is crossing with a sailing vessel or a vessel engaged in fishing, the hierarchy changes based on Rule 18. However, in the vast majority of commercial and recreational encounters between motorized boats, Rule 15 provides the definitive answer on who must move. By following the requirement to avoid crossing ahead, you reduce the mental load on the other mariner and ensure that the encounter remains safe and controlled. The stand-on vessel also has responsibilities which are detailed in Rule 17, including maintaining course and speed, but the primary burden of the initial maneuver lies with the vessel that has the other on its starboard side. By internalizing Rule 15, mariners can navigate busy intersections and coastal waters with confidence, knowing exactly when they must yield and the safest direction in which to turn. This rule turns a potentially chaotic encounter into a structured and safe interaction, preserving the lives of those on board and the integrity of the vessels involved. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.